We strongly oppose the statement done by respected Mohan Bhagwat ji. He may be Sangh Pradhan or RSS chief. It doesn't matter in this case. You see, regarding RG Kar, within 24 hours, the accused had been arrested by Kolkata police. Okay, and in a CBI charge sheet, that was properly reflected in a positive manner. You see, Mohan Bhagwat ji, he didn't make any comment about Unnao, Hathras, UP, MP, Gujarat, Badlapur, the nearer zone to Nagpur, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Delhi, where BJP controlling the police, and this kind of crime against women happens often, and regularly there are some same incidents are there. So in this case, Mohan Bhagwat ji ka, he didn't use the comparison with Ramayana or Mahabharata. So this is a not voice of RSS chief only. This is a clear voice of a genuine BJP leader. Maybe they are in search of a proper president.